Hey everybody, I'm JP. Welcome to React Firebase Full Stack Web Development Series. In this course, we're going to create a fully function web application that leverages Firebase services such as Firestore database, which is the NoSQL, Firebase storage service, and Fire hosting. Okay, so before we start, let me introduce to you what Firebase is. So basically, Firebase is a platform developed by Google. So if you're familiar with Azure or AWS, so basically GCP is is the mother of Firebase. So, but Firebase is quite small in terms of services. Okay, so basically, Firebase has its own tooling and services that we can use to build our web application and mobile apps. So Firebase has the following services that we can use. It has a real-time database, a built-in authentication service where we can uh, use social media authentication. Next service will be hosting. So in Firebase, we can host our React.js application, Angular application, or any JavaScript application on the fly. It can be deployed in public. It also has a NoSQL database, which is what we call Firebase Firestore. It has also a cloud messaging service if you want or if you need push notification to your mobile app or web app. Firebase has a service for that. And then Firebase also has a storage service where you can store files on the cloud, like images, videos, text files, whatever files do you want to store. Okay, so you can store it on the Firebase storage. And it also has a function service that you can use to run your functions on the cloud. Okay, so all of these services are free in Spark plan, which is the default plan if you register for Firebase. So that's why there are a bunch of people who uses Firebase because it's free. Okay. And yeah, there's just a limitation on the bandwidth of each service that you want to use. But typically, if it's a small application, you don't need to worry about pricing. So yeah, definitely uh it won't cost you so much money. Okay. All right. So in this course, you're going to learn how to create your own React application, how to create a Firebase project, how to set up web application on the Firebase project, and we're going to create a Firestore database. So all of these three is basically inside the console.google.com. So later on, I'm going to show you how to set up all of these things. Okay, so we're going to set up Firebase hosting as well and install the SDK of Firebase using CLI. And then we're going to configure and connect our React application to Firestore for us to do the manipulation of data. So we're going to create a CRUD operation, which is create, read, update, delete to our Firestore database. Okay, then we're going to deploy our React.js to Firebase hosting. So it will be visible in public and we can access it anywhere. Okay, all right. So first, we're going to create a React application, and then we're going to set up the services on Firebase. Okay, so in this course, we're going to create a Pokemon repository or a list of Pokemons. So our project, I'm going to rename it as React Fire Pokemon. Okay, and then we're going to connect our Firestore database to React app. And then we're going to deploy the our React application to Firebase hosting. Okay, all right. So that's it for this video. See you on the next episode.